Hi, my name is Jarrell. I'm here at Phillips, Chevy of Frankfurt. I wanted to do a quick instructional video. I'm getting a lot of questions and calls as far as the 2018 Premier, the hands-free opening of the tailgate. Once your vehicle is started, you'll see one of the biggest things that Chevy added in to help you guys out. If you look to the floor, and of course only at night, you're going to have a hard time seeing the Chevy sign in the middle of the daytime with the sunlight. But when it's a little darker and you can see, Chevy placed a Chevy symbol on the floor. That's where you want to kick your foot. You just simply one kick action, and that's how you open your tailgate. From there, your tailgate is going to open. It's going to flash to let you know to step out of the way. If you simply want to close it, you kind of kick in the same area where the Chevy sign was. It's going to blink to let you know that your tailgate is coming down. You simply step out of the way, and your tailgate is going to go back down. Simple, again, one kick motion. If you have any questions, I can be reached at Phillips Chevy of Frankfurt. Thank you and have a good day.